That was a 99 shot compound cake for $128 by Riakeo. We are looking at JLP2403 and JLP2404. First cake was 52 shots of red strobe with silver spinner tail, gold crown with color dahlia horsetail, lemon dahlia with red plum with green tail, red strobe with color dahlia with red strobe with super red tail. Cake number 2 was JLP2404, 47 shots, gold crown with silver dragon with red plum with gold Chris with gold spinner tail. And I have just restocked the compound container. Pretty full in here. Kind of tight, but I had to get some room in my other buildings. And I think my video looks a little foggy, but I have gotten almost all of my Riakeo compound cakes from storage into the container. There's only a few hanging back, so just wanted to put that out there for you guys. Right now is a really good time to shop. I do only have one container that I'm expecting possibly before the 4th of July. It's Riakeo and most of it's restock. So you may start to see items disappearing from my website between now and the 4th of July. And a lot of things that I do bring in may not be products that I have imported. So, you know, those pieces always cost a little more from me. But I do cut my profits on those pieces, and I try to be competitive. So, hope to see you guys here. Peace.